Okay, so hi everyone, my name is Afra, and today what we're going to learn is how to make a right angle triangle. How do we do 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3. And those all of those patterns. Okay, so today our first video is the right angle triangle. How we make 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. That's how do we make them? So rows equals to in. So we input it. Bracket input, bracket quotation marks. Enter your number of rows. Two brackets are closed because of the integer, and I taught you that in the basics of input. So for I in range rows, so the values of I, okay? So rows. Before that, we write n equals 1. No, n equals 0. Then what we do here is n equals n plus 1. Like how we did in our sum plus I, but this is n plus 1. Okay? Now, for j in range I plus 1. That's simple thing, right, guys? I plus 1 print n comma n equals to quotation marks. So space. Okay. And then now we already have n equals to n plus 1. Now what we do is print new line. Let's run the code. Let's run the code. Oh, so we have to save it. Let's say py. Save. Oh. So desktop save. Cancel. So let's run the code. Let's say 5. And as we wanted, that's my output. 1, 2, 2. Okay. 1, 2, 2. Sorry. So 1 here. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay? We got it now. So let me explain the code. Okay? Because I know you won't understand it. But if you think more, you would understand it then. Okay? So if we look, our rows are going by 1. They're adding by 1. What I mean is, this is our 0th row, first row. So that's what I mean by adding by 1. And the columns are the same. They remain the same. Okay? They remain the same. Now, let me explain you the code. So let's say rows are 5, right? So how rows are 5 there? Okay, that's good, right? So now n, so number, suppose number equals to 0. Okay, but why? So let's say if I write here 1, let's see what happens. So if we write 5, it starts from 2 and ends at 6. That's why we put here 0. If we put the 1, we'll do 1 plus 1, right? Which is 2, and then print number as 2. That's why it's doing that. So that's why we need to put 0, guys. Now, n equals to 0. Values of I are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, as usual. And n equals to number plus 1. So 0 plus 1, which is 1. Now for j in range, okay, when I is 0, we'll do 0 plus 1, execute, and then it prints 1. Because here, it was 1, right? So it prints 1 here and executes 1 time because of the j loop. So the J loop is doing this work here and printing it. The new line and the n number. Then prints new line. Then number equals to 1. Then when I is 1, then it would do 1 plus 1, which is what? 2, right? Exactly. And then for J, when I is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, A executes 2 times and prints n, which is 2, but it writes 2 times, so 2. And prints new line and goes so on. It repeats the process over again until the last value of I is done. Okay? So that's our first pattern, what we do. Okay? So thank everyone for listening about how to make this pattern. Okay? So let's say not just that, I want to put here, okay? 1, 2, not 2, 3, like that. Okay? So if I change 2, right? Let's see if it works. You never know. So actually, I don't want to start with 1. What I want to do is that I want 2, then after 2, I want 4, and so on like that. So I want to start from 2. So let's see. Yeah, see? So here, look at the difference carefully. Okay? This is going 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. But this is skip counting by 2. Even, right? Even numbers, right? And if you know, 2 is a prime number, and the rest of these are composite numbers. Yeah. So they're even. 2, 4, 4, 6, 6, 6, 8, 8, 8, 8, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Right? Yeah. Okay, so thank you everyone for listening about how to do this type of pattern. In my next video, we're gonna learn advanced. It's like the n equals to n plus 1 will change somewhere else to. Okay, that would be a really close hint. But it will change somewhere to a different loop. Okay? So I think you already know what it is, right? In the J loop. So I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. Okay, so thank everyone and bye.